Here is our arrival to today installation. So these are the total packages that the 500 watt system, 600 watts panel. Okay. These are the packages that come with it. While this is 500 watts system itself. Okay. And solar rack, wire. These are the total package. You can see the total package that comes with it. The solar mounting rack, the panel, the system itself, and the wire. So we are preparing for the installation of the panel, installing the panel, mounting the panel. So this is the work is progressing. Okay. So this is the installation. So this is Monshalashi Alagbado, Ogun State, Nigeria. So we are here for 500 watts solar generator installation. We are done with the installation, so we are happy. So this is the system itself performing. The work is done, the installation is made. So these are the specifications, which its power, lighting, then also power, TV, fan, plus other low energy consumption appliances in the house. I think this is a 3-bedroom apartment. So there is other still load in the rooms. Okay. So this powered about 19 points TV, which is a 32 inches TV LED TV, then fan. So this is the 500 watts system itself. Okay.